environmental stewardship and nature conservation are a rich part of Disney's history and a vital focus of our future. From our earliest nature films through the creation of the Disney Worldwide Conservation Fund, caring for our planet will always be a part of what makes Disney, Disney.
The climate program is all about what we can do to reduce our emissions. So it's being more efficient, it's reducing our use of fuels, it's finding alternatives, and then for the fuels that we use, it's also looking at how we can invest in carbon offsets. There are lots of ways to manage forests, and the Improved Forest Management Project in Clinch Valley is a great example of how to maintain forests over the long term, how to harvest them responsibly, and also maintain the carbon emissions absorption that they do.
What the Conservation Forestry Program allows us to do is to help take a long-term view of forest management on private lands in a way that both provides an economic benefit for a landowner, but really provides ecological benefits for the natural systems.
Well, the Nature Conservancy manages all its forest lands per the FSC, or Forest Stewardship Council, guidelines. When I look to select trees for harvest in one of our selective harvests, I consider many things: species, form, and we try to cut a mix of timber types that will lead to the desired outcome. We have several areas we try to focus on, including water quality, try to maintain or improve the ecological health of the forest, and also to produce high-quality forest products.
Forests are really good filters. They're really good at kind of holding soil on the hillsides, which really maintains habitats in our river systems. This area supports 165 rare plant and animal species, and the Clinch River, which runs through the middle of it, is one of the most significant conservation rivers in the world. Particularly along the streamside buffer zones, clean creeks like this help us keep the river clean, which is important for drinking water, for recreation, and for all the fish and mussels that make the river their home.
Disney support's not only benefited us, it's benefited the conservation community at large through their corporate leadership, and allowed projects like ours to go forward that can serve as a model for other projects.
At Disney, we are dedicated to protecting nature and to helping create a brighter tomorrow for generations to come.